Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ngayon ay pag-uusapan natin ang kahulugan ng compassion, kung paano ito napapakita sa pangangalaga sa kapwa at sa kalikasan, at ang papel ng communal discernment sa paggawa ng PO at sa mundo ng bilang mas bahaging at mas mabuting lugar. Ano nga ba ang compassion? For me, ang compassion is more than just feeling sorry for someone. Para sa akin, compassion means understanding what other people are going through and doing something to help them. Hindi sapat na aawa lang tayo. Mas importante na may aksyon tayong ginagawa para makatulong. As a student, we experience different challenges every day. May mga klase tayong nahihirapan sa mga lesson. May mga taong may personal problem at meron ding mga nawawalan ng motivation. Showing compassion can be as simple as helping a classmate understanding a lesson, listening to a friend who needs someone to talk to, or encourage someone who feels discouraged. Kahit simpleng act of kindness lang, malaking bagay na yon para sa ibang tao. Compassion is also important in our families. We can show compassion by helping with household chores, respecting our parents and grandparents, and being understanding with family members are going through difficult situation. Minsan, hindi naman kailangan ng pera para makatulong. Sometimes, our time, attention, and understanding are already enough. Magbibigay ako ng halimbawa ng compassion sa paaralan. Kapag may kaklase kang walang ballpen o labis pinapahiram mo siya, di ba? Kapag may kaklase kang absent, binibigyan mo siya ng notes para makahabol siya sa lesson. Kapag may bagong estudyante sa kaklase, tinutulungan mo siyang makilala ang mga klase at guro. Kapag naman may kaklase kang nahihirapan sa assignment, di ba? Tinutulungan mo siya. Naiintindihan ang sagot. Kapag may kaklase kang nalulungkot, kinakausap mo siya at sa pinaparamdam mo na hindi siya nag-iisa. Parang hindi siya nalileft out. Aside from helping people, compassion can also we show through caring for the environment. Na the environment provide us with clean air, water, food, and many resources that we can use every day. Because of this, we have responsibility to take care of it. Mahalaga ang compassion dahil tinuturuan tayo nitong maging mabait, maunawain at matulungin sa ating kapwa. Sa pamamagitan ng compassion, natuto tayong unawain ang damdamin at pinagdaraanan ng ibang tao, lalo na ang mga nahihirapan o nangangailangan ng tulong. Mahalaga rin ang compassion dahil nakakatulong ito sa pagbuo ng mabuting relasyon sa pamilya, kaibigan, kaklase at komunidad. Kapag may compassion tayo, mas nagiging magalang mapagbigay at handang tumulong sa iba dahil ito ay nagkakaroon ng pagkakaisa at mas maayos na samaan sa ating paligid. Bilang estudyante, ang compassion ay tumutulong sa atin na maging responsibling mamamayan. Natuto tayong tumulong sa mga nangangailangan, makinig sa may problema at magpakitang malasakit sa kapwa. Higit sa lahat, mahalaga ang compassion dahil ito ay bibigay ito ng pag-asa, saya at ginhawa sa mga taong dumaraan sa iba't ibang pagsubok ng buhay. Kahit simpleng kabutihan o pagtulong ay maaaring magkaroon ng malaking epekto sa ibang tao. Kaya naman, ang compassion ay isang mahalagang pagpapahalaga na dapat nating isabuhay. We can show compassion for the environment by throwing garbage properly, reducing plastic use, saving water and electricity, and joining clean-up activities. Kahit maliit na bagay lang ito, kapag ginawa ng maraming tao, malaki ang magiging epekto nito sa ating community at sa future generation. Another thing I learned is that compassion and responsibility to go together. If we truly care about others, we should also be responsible in our action. For example, following school rules, respecting other people, and keeping our surroundings clean are ways of showing compassion because they help create a better environment for everyone. Now, let us talk about communal discernment. In simple words, communal discernment means making decisions together as a community. It is about listening to different opinions, respecting one another, and thinking about what is best for everyone instead of focusing only about ourselves. In PU, communal discernment can help create a more compassionate school environment. Students, teachers, and administrators can work together to solve problems and improve the community. Kapag nakikinig tayo sa isa't isa at nirerespeto natin ng ibang perspective, mas nagiging fair at effective ang mga desisyon. For example, if a student are concerned about school activities or policies, it is important that their voice are heard. Through communication and cooperation, better solution can be developed. This help build trust and understanding among members of the community. Magbibigay ulit ako ng halimbawa. Noong may group activity kami sa school, iba-iba ang aming mga idea. Sa halip na mag-away-away, nakinig kami sa opinyon ng bawat isa at pinag-usapan ang mga posibleng resulta ng bawat desisyon. Sa uli, nakabuo kami ng isang plano na sinang-ayunan ng lahat. Ito ay isang halimbawa ng communal discernment. It's also important in the world today. Many issues such as poverty, climate change, and inequality cannot be solved by one person alone. Kailangan ng cooperation, understanding, and teamwork from different group of people. Through communal discernment, people can work together and find solution that benefit everyone. Magbibigay ako ng example kung bakit ito importante. Natuto tayong makinig sa opinion ng iba. Nakakatulong ito upang makagawa ng mas magandang desisyon. Napapalakas nito ang pagkakaisa ng grupo, na ipapakita nito ang respeto ng bawat membro. Nakakatulong ito upang maiwasan ang hindi pagkakaunawaan. Then, para sa akin, compassion and communal discernment are connected. Compassion help us care about needs of others, while communal discernment help us decide the best way to respond to those who needs. When these two values are practiced, and they help create stronger relationship and better community. Compassion is communal discernment are both important values that help us become better individuals and members of society. Although they are different concepts, they both teach us how to care for others and make good decisions. Compassion is more than just feeling sorry for someone. It's about understanding the situation of other people and being willing to help them in any way we can. I believe that many people are facing challenges that we may not know about. So it's important to be kind, patient, and understanding. As a student, I can show compassion by helping my classmates when they are struggle with their lesson and listening to friends who have problem and treating everyone with respect. Even a simple act such as offering help, sharing what I have, or giving words of encouragement can make a big difference in someone's life. On the other hand, communal discernment teaches us the importance of listening to others, become making decisions, and reminds us that we do not always have the best answer, that the opinion of others people also matter. I also believe that compassion and communal discernment work together. When we have compassion, we can care about feelings and needs of others. When we practice communal discernment, we listen to them and consider their opinion before making decision. This value help build trust, understanding, and unity among people. As a student, this lesson encouraged me to become more responsible, respectful, and caring. They teach me to think not only about myself, but also about welfare of others. By practicing compassion and communal discernment in my daily life, I can contribute to creating a more respectful, supportive, and more understanding community. In conclusion, compassion and communal discernment are valuable lessons that I can apply in school, at home, and in my community. They help me become a better person by teaching me to care for others, listening with an open mind, and work together for the common good. Through these values, I can make positive decision and build a stronger relationship with the people around me. Ang dalawang pagpapahalagang ito ay mahalaga sa ating buhay bilang mga estudyante at bilang mga membro ng komunidad. Tinutulungan tayo nitong maging responsable, mabuti at may malasakit na kapwa. Kung patuloy nating isa sa buhay ang mga compassion at communal discernment, makakatulong tayo sa pagbuo ng isang malagang mapayapa at mas nagkakaisa at mas maunlad na pamayanan. Naway maging inspirasyon sa ating ang mga aral na ito upang palagiin bilang ang kabutihan ng pag-unawa at pagkipagtulungan sa ating kapwa. Sa maliit man o malaking paraan, maaari tayong maging instrumento ng isang positibong pagbabago sa ating paaralan, pamilya at komunidad. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig at naway patuloy tayong gabayan ng at palain ng Diyos. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat.